In this video, we'll show you how to send zip files through Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and give it a like. Here, I have a zip file that I want to send. As you might know, a zip file is a compressed file containing other files and folders. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open Gmail and click on the Compose button in the top left corner. If you're replying to an email, you can use that instead. Once you've filled out the recipient's email address, scroll down to the bottom of the message. The easiest way to send a zip file is through Google Drive. This is because Gmail has size limits for attachments, and Drive makes it easier to bypass those.
Click on the Google Drive icon, then choose Upload.
Next, click Browse to locate the zip file on your device. Once you find it, select it and click Open. When the upload is complete, the file will be attached to your email. Before you send it, make sure to click Send. You'll need to set the sharing permissions for the file. You can allow anyone with the link to access it, which is the option I prefer, and then hit Send to finalize the process.